Hello folks at home, welcome to another episode. In this episode for you, let's solve this addition problem. 29 plus 49. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 9 plus 9 equals 18. In the number 18, there are 8 ones, right? 8 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 2 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 2 equals 3. We need to add 4 more, which gives us 7, right? 7 in the tens place. So 29 plus 49 equals 78. And this is our final answer to this problem. Like, subscribe and share your favorite part of the video.